James Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're going to be tying up a brand new Salvatore Ferragamo tie they got maybe a month or so ago from Neiman Marcus in Charlotte. Shout out to Andre, my stylist there. He does a great job. And it's a fun tie. If you know anything about Ferragamo ties, he has some classic ties, but the majority of his ties, and what he's most famous for, are their novelty ties, but they're done very classy. So this tie, for example, if I have it away from you like this, it's just a nice tie. But as we get it closer and closer and closer, you find out that actually the design, the geometrics, are made up of little puppy dogs. And I love dogs. I absolutely love dogs. Matter of fact, I have a dog named Zegna after my suits. This particular tie, though, it's blue, and it has little white dogs with a red bow or red collar coming around it. And its ears and the top of its head is kind of a lighter shade of blue or almost a gray. The tag on it says it's navy, but it's not actually navy. It's actually a lighter blue. It's not a navy blue. Navy's a very dark blue. So let me take this tag here off so we can tie this tie up. I've got a lot of Ferragamo ties. Matter of fact, I haven't actually done a count. One day I'm going to do a video on just my closet and show you all my tie collection. But I probably have more Ferragamos than anything else. That's my bet because I really like Ferragamo ties. They tie a really nice tight knot. It's a super soft, buttery feel silk, but it's not real rigid. It has just a really nice smoothness to it. And they tie a nice knot, and the knot stays tight all day long, which is saying something for a thin silk tie. So get my collar ready. As far as a review, I'm not going to take long because I do a lot of reviews on Ferragamo ties, but Ferragamo ties are thin. They're not very thick. You can see that. It's not a very thick tie. The silk is, lays really, really nice. It's a super soft, very fine silk, very smooth to the feel. But even though it's a thinner tie and it's super soft, it still ties a really nice knot. So let's tie this up and see what it looks like. Now with Ferragamo ties, I already know I'm going to be right in this range here on my spot. It's always right around there. So come in tight and tie it up. Take the long part of the tie over top of the short part. Holding everything tight, we come behind, up and through. Then we come around, under, up, over, and through again. Now I'll call this a checkpoint. This is where we want to tighten up the knot and make sure everything's nice and tight, which it is. Now we come out over the front, back in behind, up, over, and through. And then we go through this little pocket we've created. We hold the top of the pocket, we pull the tie down and through. Now we make our final adjustments. We hold the knot and pull on the long part of the tie. You can see us coming together as a perfect triangle. And then we want to get nice and tight, and then we want to see our length. The tip of the belt buckle, the tip of the tie, this part here needs to come somewhere between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. And right now this is coming right around halfway. That's exactly where I want it to be. As long as it's between top and the bottom, I'm okay. Slightly long is fine. Short is not. It's a no-no in tying a nice tie. All right, so we tighten the knot just a little bit more. Make this thing similar. Look how nice that came together. It's a perfect triangle. This is what I like, perfect triangle. Let's put this together. The look's going to be scrolling across the bottom of your screen, but I'm going to go through it here with you. Put the jacket on. Okay, so today we are wearing an Emerta Gildo Zegna suit. It's a blue suit, kind of almost a French blue. It's a lighter blue, not a navy blue. And it has a little bit of a window pane pattern within it. It's very, very subtle. So we're wearing a blue Zegna suit. We're wearing a white Brooks Brothers dress shirt with some texture to it. We're wearing a blue Salvatore Ferragamo tie that has little puppy dogs on it. And it's really, really a cute tie. We're wearing a brown Salvatore Ferragamo belt with a gold Ferragamo belt buckle, and we're wearing Ferragamo shoes as well. They're brown Oxfords. On my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers, you'll see close-ups of the shoes, the belt, the tie, selfies of me wearing the tie, close-ups of the knot and everything else. You can see the whole look together on my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I do work hard to create content. No one pays anything for this. I just try to get this out there to teach guys how to dress a little bit better. And if you like my videos, please click like and subscribe. I would appreciate that. And I post somewhere between 4 and 5 every single week, with different looks. I appreciate you guys, and I am ready for work.